I'm delighted to welcome the ERA members in Estoril this year for our AGM and General Assembly. We have record numbers with over 400 delegates from over 200 companies and more than 50 airlines. So I'm very much looking forward to the next 2 days to talk to members, exchange, network, learn from each other and share the power of regional aviation.
It's a great opportunity to network with people, meet up, chat. I've gotten some really good and valuable input from people that I would normally never ever see in the day-to-day life. So for me, meeting up, networking, talking to people is why I'm here, and which is why ERA actually is such a valuable organization.
To honor his presence, to present this year's Personal Excellence Award to Mr. Shomila. Please welcome him.